In the first video on syllogism, we looked at what syllogisms are, we looked at sum and all, we looked at drawing all the potential drawings for the statements and how to look at the conclusions being valid or not. In this video, we look at no. So if you haven't watched the first video on sum and all, I suggest that you do watch that video and then watch this. Here we are going to look at statements that have the word no. Conclusions might also have the word no. Again, I repeat, you draw all possible diagrams. Conclusion has to be true in all the diagrams. Okay, that you draw every diagram, not most. You can't say it is true in 4 but not in the 5th. It has to be true in every diagram for the no conclusion to be correct. Okay, one shortcut. If in any drawing, right? So let's say there are some statements, and in any drawing you have this, where all of these conclusions are connected. They are connected like this, then the no conclusion won't be true. You don't have to look at other diagrams. See, if it is like this, we'll have to check whether the no conclusion is valid. If it is drawn, if any drawing has all the circles which are connected, it's not separate, it's connected, right? There's some overlap, then the no conclusion won't be true. Just remember this as the shortcut. You don't have to look at all the potential drawings then. If all the circles are connected, the no conclusion won't be true. Now let's look at a few problems. Which conclusions are true? Some dollars are pounds, all pounds are rupees, no rupee is a euro. Let us see in how many ways you can draw it. Some dollars are pounds, some dollars are pounds. You can draw it in that way. You can also draw it this way. Some dollars are pounds. Yes, I've drawn that in 4 different ways. Then all pounds are rupees. So I draw this. All pounds are rupees. All pounds are rupees. All pounds are rupees. All the pounds are rupees. I draw it this way. All the pounds are rupees. So this is also done. No rupee is a euro. So I can draw no rupee is a euro. No rupee is a euro. So if I draw it this way, these two diagrams will be the same. So these two diagrams are the same. If you see, these two diagrams are the same. So I can do 1, diagram 2 and diagram 3. This diagram, I need not worry, it's the same diagram. And here we have no euro, no rupee is a euro. So I can write it this way. No rupee is a euro. So now they have given 2 conclusions. I have conclusion 1, conclusion 2. I have diagrams 1, 2 and 3. The no conclusion again should be true in all the diagrams. No euro is a dollar. So if you see here, no euro is a dollar is false. So here it's false. So this conclusion is false. You can check in diagram 2 it is true. In diagram 3 again it is false. But the moment you get the first cross, don't do this step. This I'm just doing for practice. The moment you get the first cross, you can put this as a cross. No euro is a pound. So here there is no overlap. Here there is no overlap. Here there is no overlap. So in each of the 3 drawings, no euro is a pound is true. Hence this conclusion is valid. So only the second conclusion is valid. Problem 6, no euro is a pound is valid. Let us see in how many different ways I can draw this. Okay, all green are brown. So all, just give me a minute. All green are brown. So all green are brown. No brown is pink. Some oranges are pink. Okay, that's one way to draw. So all green are brown. No brown is pink. Some oranges are pink. Okay. All green are brown. No brown is pink. Some oranges are pink. So 3 ways in which I can draw. Okay. So 1, 2, 3. If you can draw in more than 3 ways, no problem. You will get the answer if you draw enough number of ways. So 3 is sufficient here. If you can draw it in the 4th way, you draw. I can draw it in the 4th way as well. If you want, all green are brown. No brown is pink. Some oranges are pink. So I can draw it as this as well. You draw all the drawings which do not contradict the statements are correct. Okay. So I have conclusion 1, 2, 3, 4. I have options and diagrams 1, 2, 3, 4. This is how I will draw. And I'll see which conclusions are true in all the diagrams. Some oranges are green. Some oranges are green is false in the first diagram. So I don't look further. This conclusion is false. Some oranges are brown is false here. I don't look further. This conclusion is false. Some green are pink is false. I don't look further. Only if it is a tick, I go further. Okay. No pink is green is true here. No pink is green. No pink is green is true. So I put a tick. No pink is green here is true. I put a tick. No pink is green. True. I put a tick. No pink is green. It's true. I put a tick. So it's true in all the 4 drawings. Hence only conclusion 4 is valid. Let us draw all hearts are spades. So I get all hearts are spades. All clubs are diamonds. Okay, this is spades. So no spade is a diamond. Got it? Some spades are holes. So some spades are holes. This is one way to draw. Second way to draw it is all hearts are spades. All clubs are diamonds. Some spades are holes. So I can also draw it this way. Some spades are holes. Another way to draw it is all hearts are spades. All clubs are diamonds. Some spades are holes. I can also draw like this. Some spades are holes. In various ways I can draw. Another way, all hearts are spades, all clubs are diamonds, some spades are holes. Correct? Got it. So I've drawn all 4 diagrams. Let us see whether the conclusion is true in all the 4 drawings. We have 4 conclusions. I have 4 drawings. Let us see. All hearts are not clubs. Okay, so I should have all hearts are not clubs. So no heart is a club, no heart is a club. So all hearts are not clubs is true. All hearts are not clubs is true. All hearts are not clubs is true. So this statement is true here. No heart is a club, which means all hearts are also not clubs. That is true. So this is correct. No diamond is a heart. There's no overlap between diamond and 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 heart. So in each of this is true. No diamond is heart is true in all the 4 drawings. Some hole are clubs. So some hole in this are not clubs. So there itself it is false. In the first diagram itself it is false. So I don't look further. So conclusion 3 is false. And then all spade are not diamonds. So if you see here, no spade is a diamond. So all spade are not diamonds is true. No spade is a diamond, so all spade are not diamonds is true. No spade is a diamond, so all spade are not diamonds is true. And then no spade is a diamond here as well, which is given here. See, no spade is a diamond is given. Then all spade are not diamonds has to be true, no? No spade is a diamond. Just by that you will have gotten this answer as well. So 1, 2 and 4 are true in problem 8. Let us see in which ways we can draw. All Barbies are monster trucks. So we have all Barbies are monster trucks. All G.I. Joes are teddies. All G.I. Joes are teddy bears. No teddy is a Hot Wheel. No teddy is a Hot Wheel. No Barbie is a G.I. Joe. Okay, so there is no overlap here. So again, all Barbies are monster trucks. All G.I. Joes are teddies. All G.I. Joes are teddies. All G.I. Joes are teddies. So I can do this way. All G.I. Joes are teddies. No Barbie. No teddy is a then no teddy is Hot Wheel. No teddy is a Hot Wheel. No Barbie is G.I. Joe. So Barbie and G.I. Joe, there should not be any relation. Teddy and Hot Wheels, there should be no relation, which is true here as well. Any other way to draw? All Barbies are monster trucks. All G.I. Joes are teddies. All G.I. Joes are teddies. No teddy is a Hot Wheel. No Barbie. See, no teddy is a Hot Wheel. No Barbie is a G.I. Joe. Okay, there's another way to draw. You draw in as many ways. So you would say, sir, how do I know How to draw? You draw in as many ways as you can. You will get the answer. All Barbies are monster trucks. Then you will have G. I Joes are teddies. No teddy is a Hot Wheel. This is my Hot Wheel. No Barbie is G.I. Joe, which is accurate. No teddy, there's no connection here, there's no connection here. So let us see 4 conclusions, 4 drawings, right? 4 conclusion. Conclusion 1, 2, 3 and 4. And diagrams 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us see. So the question level has slightly increased. Some teddies are not monster trucks. So some teddies are not monster trucks is valid here. Some teddies are not monster trucks are valid. See, all of these are teddies which are not monster trucks. So this is valid. All of this teddies is not monster truck. Valid. And even here this teddy. So actually the teddies which are inside G will never be monster trucks. Okay, that part can't be teddy. So you will have that true. So first one will be true. No Hot Wheel is a Barbie. See, Barbie and Hot Wheels is not true here. So it's correct. No Hot Wheel is a Barbie. No Hot Wheel is a Barbie. So it is true. But if you see here, there are Hot Wheels which are Barbies. Hence, this conclusion is false. This is true. Some teddies are not monster trucks. Correct. Then we'll have no G.I. Joe is a monster truck. So you see G.I. Joes and monster trucks. We can have another diagram, right? So what if this was overlapping here? What if this diagram was, instead of here, we had drawn it till here? So G could have been drawn here. This could be your 5th diagram or could even be the 3rd diagram. What if G was not here but regularly here? There's nothing that prevents us. Only B and G should not be overlapping. So if you see no G.I. Joe is a monster truck is true here. No G.I. Joe is a monster truck is true here. But no G.I. Joe is a monster truck is not true here. Hence, this is false. So third one, no G.I. Joe is a monster truck, conclusion I can't do. Because you could have drawn G in any way. So the moment it becomes overlapping with them, then that conclusion becomes false. All teddies are not Hot Wheels. So if you see teddies are Hot Wheels, no teddy is a Hot Wheel. So just from this, all teddy, no teddy is Hot Wheels. So all teddies are not Hot Wheels. So you will get that true as well just by drawing. Even in the drawing, if you see all teddies are not Hot Wheels. True, 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 and then true. No teddy. So there's no overlap. So hence you will get a tick there as well. So we'll have conclusion 1 and conclusion 4. Let's look at the 10th problem. All chicken are mutton. So all chicken are mutton. Some chicken are fish. No mutton is a prawn. No fish is a prawn. Okay, no mutton is a prawn, no fish is a prawn. One way of drawing it. Second way is all chicken are mutton. Some chicken are fish. No chicken is a prawn. No fish. No mutton is a prawn. No fish is a prawn. Okay. No mutton is a prawn. No fish is a prawn. Any other way in which can it be drawn? All chicken are mutton. Some chickens are fish. So I can also draw this. Some chickens are fish inside. Some chickens are fish. No mutton is a prawn. No fish is a prawn. Okay. So there are only 3 ways in which I can draw. Let's see if you can draw it in any other way. 1, 2, 3. So 3, 4 conclusions. I have 3 drawings. Some prawns are not chicken. You will have, there's no overlap between prawns and chicken, right? So there's no overlap. If you see, some prawns are not chicken, true. Some prawns are not chicken, true. Some prawns are not chicken, true. So this is true in all the 3 drawings. So hence conclusion 1 is true. No mutton is fish. No, if you see here, this mutton is fish. This is false here. So this conclusion is false. I don't look at diagrams 2 and 3. Some fish are not mutton. So if you see here, some fish are not mutton, which is true. But here, all the fish are mutton. So this is false. Hence, conclusion 3 is also false. Some chicken are prawn. Okay, some chicken are prawn. is false. So you can't get this Samchikanathman. You won't get. So it's cross here. So it's cross here. Only conclusion 1 is true. Other 3 conclusions are false. Okay, so you looked at syllogism videos with some and all. You looked at syllogism videos with no. You will see the difficulty level increase in the subsequent lessons on syllogism. Continue visiting our website 7sunstandard.com. You will have new courses, new tests, new modules being uploaded regularly. Please practice, please opt in and sign up for those courses. And for more tips, tricks, please visit our YouTube channel 7 Suns Aptitude Prep. Like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for your time once again, and hope you found this session and this module very useful.